हम अभी स्टेशन पे हमारा बहुत सारा लगेज है एंड आई एम सीरियसली सो टायर्ड एंड फाइनली हम अपना वेट कर रहे हैं ट्रेन का कि कब हमारी ट्रेन आएगी, कब हम जाएंगे एंड फाइनली विल गेट रिलैक्स्ड सीरियसली एंड फिर हम लोग ट्रेन में जाएंगे फिर आई शो यू एंड वी गाइस सो लेट्स गेट गो। Good morning. It's currently the next day and we are still in the train. It's currently 6:23 and we just woke up and we have breakfast. Then when we arrive at the station, we'll go there and then we'll notify you. Hey guys, हम लोग ट्रेन से उतर चुके हैं. आपको मेरे पीछे ट्रेन दिखाई दे रही होगी. अभी हम स्टेशन पे उतर गए हैं. अभी हम गाड़ी लेके सीधा जाएंगे मेरे अंकल के घर फॉर पार्टी. ये I'm all ready and this is my outfit. I'm wearing a golden lehenga and we are getting ready and go for some photo shoots and then I'll see you in the puja. Bye!
चल रही है बट हमारी पूजा खत्म हो गई है और नहीं करनी. ये देखो मेरा तो मैंने छुटा दिया पूरा फैल गया. लाइक नो आई कांट. पहले कैसी लग रही थी मैं तो स्ट्रीकर डांस बट नहीं आई एम सॉरी बट पहले कैसी थी मैं और अब कैसी हूँ मैं.
Ladies, say hi.
Hi, I'm good.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Yes. So what are we going to do next? What are we going to do next?
We are going for puja for household.
Yes.
You guys also join us now.
So what do we have plans for our next days?
We are going to run.
Yeah. So it's gonna be so much fun together.
Puja is there and tomorrow Perv is there.
Yes. Yes.
Family.
Guys, I just decided to give a small tour of the house that we are being in. Come on. So in my bag, this is the entrance. This is the hall. Now you can see the excitement of my family and the children in my family. Seriously. And I want to tell you guys that I am the oldest, means I am the biggest sister of the house, and all of my brothers and sisters are smaller than me. So you can see that. Okay.
It's simple.
Yeah, it's
simple.
not decorated still, but we're having a
Yeah. It's new now for that.
Now, this is my brother's room. We have fully planned that how he wants to his house to be. Like he's telling me that he wants a TV in here and a big bed in here, and he wants his computer table to be in here. Everything. We have planned everything. Seriously, he's boys on it.
Let's go.
Now, this is my Chachu and Chati's room. This gotta be like a full couple room, we can say like. So you can see it's huge and it's so
Whoa. Currently the next day and we are going, this is my outfit for today, and now we are going to play basketball again, and then I'll have a small photo shoot and then we'll go to the market, okay? Say hi. Hi. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Mama. This is my mom. And that's my dad. Oh, beautiful!
Chachi!
Look here! Our house biggest model in the house.
Yay! Let's go! The recording started. So now I'm leaving from this lake. It's so beautiful. You can see it right behind me. It's so beautiful and it's so sunny. And I forgot to bring my glass. Seriously. So and you will
now
see some clip and photo in her
yeah, I'll
channel.
edit that. And now we are going home, and then
Yes.
we'll go to the pub. I'll show you the pub.
Yeah. call it. So yeah, now we'll go downstairs and do some photo shoot. See this dirt. We
Yeah.
have to clean that. Yay! Photo shoot is going on.
Take a lots of pool pics.
Yep. Can you see this pool? Yeah, we didn't show you pool, right? See the pool. Didi, you didn't show the pool. You didn't show the pool. See. Now the both of boys and girls photo is going on, so leave them.
Hey guys, so now we are at the pool and now we are gonna cut my sister's cake as it's her birthday in 2 days. So but we decided to cut the cake in Nagpur and now I'll show you the clip of her birthday. So now let's go. Hey guys,
So we have our cake. Yay.
but the birthday girl is still not here.
Yup. She's sleeping right now. She's sleeping. Say hi. Hello.
पापा जी मेरा कौन सा सिंगल सीट है? मेरा कौन सा सिंगल सीट है?
And finally, we are going back to Mumbai.
चाची जब जब नजर आई है खाते हुए नजर आई है।
ये जब भी नजर आती
पूरा
तो
गोडाउन लेके
नजर
बैठी
आती।
हुई है।
अभी अपना भी खींच ये देखिए मैं कैमरा खुद का अरे साफ नहीं किया साफ ही नहीं किया कैमरा 2 मिनट रुकिए प्लीज बाय बाय नागपुर वापस मिलेंगे
ज्योति का मोबाइल ज्यादा चार्ज हो गया
बहुत इग्नोर करो यार इस नॉइजेस को चलो बाय बाय
Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I just decided to sit down and talk to you guys about this vlog, and I just wanted to tell you guys that these were the best days of 2020 guys, and I really enjoyed there, and the building was so good, and we had the best family time ever. And I just wanted to say, like, if you wanted any other videos in this channel, so please comment down below. I'll seriously appreciate it and try my best to film it for you guys. So without any further ado, let's end this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.